the woods to go and do fairy trail. Bye guys.
I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming.
That's a new one, that is. So cool.
Wow, it's pretty like a rainbow.
It is pretty like a rainbow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's see if we can find any more. Wow. Beware of the troll. Birdwatcher Dom thinks that he's found a woodpecker.
I'll risk my life for the cause of the woodpecker.
Is it a woodpecker? Is it not a woodpecker?
Very case of woodpecker.
I found another one too.
Wow. This is so cool. Has anyone seen any fairies yet?
Look at those ones. And then come and look at this one.
Wow.
Beware of the trap.
Look at these. They are amazing. A fairy. Oh my god, Aria, I can see a fairy. We don't want to scare her. Oh my god, I can see another one. Aria.
Fairy bug.
Go shh.
It's for Archie Boy Boy. It's for Archie Boy Boy.
Are you liking the fairy woods? Is it cool? Aria! 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 I can see another fairy. Just got attacked by a massive wasp. Hey, you guys. Hey, gorgeous boy.
Guys, look at this.
Wow. Aria, have you seen this one?
Can we go down for it?
How cool is that?
Look, guys.
It's a fireman fairy one, so if there's a fire in the woods, the fire fairies will come and put the fire out. That's the NHS fairy house. That's where all the doctor and nurse fairies live. Cool, right? And this is where they hang all their washing. Oh, these ones are so cute. Adorable. Now this one is probably my favourite. It's got a cupcake on it.
Yeah. Can I do that one too?
There's a little cute one hiding here.
I found two ones. Look at this. One big one, two big ones.
Aria, Aria, I can see a fairy. Quiet as a mouse. Let's say hello to her.
Hippie toe. Mama, look at this down one I found. It's got a swing.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at this. Look at all these pretty ones. NHS. Fairy wish it's made here. Shh. Sleeping fairy. Shh. Wow. Sorry, I'll be quiet. We don't want to scare the fairies, do we? Aria, it says fairy sleeping. Oh no, the gnome's broken. Oh no, maybe the fairy doctors and nurses, we saw their house earlier, do you remember? Maybe they'll come and fix him and make him all better.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's not true.
Oh look, there's the gnome's bed up there. Wow, look at this one. Sorry. I'll be quiet again. We've found where the aerial fairy lives, and Bow Fairy, and Robin Hood Fairy? Is that Robin Hood? This is my favourite part ever, because it's just so pretty. I love living here. These woods are literally adorable at the moment. Oh, this one's adorable. Oh, here you go, here's the sign. The fairy wishing tree. Tie a ribbon, make a wish. We were actually like one of the first to put our ribbon on here. We actually put it there and then it got destroyed. We had to retie it on there.
3, 2, 1, go! Guys, go! I found some across the river.
Oh look!
I found some across the
Maybe a
river.
mermaid fairy lives there because it's in the water.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch my last one, give me a big thumbs up. Bye guys! I'm Feather Queen.
Feather Queen.
I'm Feather Queen.
Does that mean you're going to go and live in the woods with all the fairies?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Cool, what are you going to eat? There's no McDonald's there.
I'm going to eat fairies.
You're going to eat fairies?
Sure.
You're what?
Girl of nature.
Girl of nature.
Look.
Okay.
I'm girl of nature. I'm girl of nature. Morning vlog.
Ask your fairy if she's okay. Is she okay?
No.
Ready,
I
girls?
got my fairy house. My fairy house in the garden.
To Aria, I told my fairy friends in the woods about your fairy house in the garden, and they've asked if you would bring it to the woods for all of the fairies to enjoy. Would that be okay?
Yeah.
Love from your fairy friend Violet.
Fairy friend.
Your fairy friend Violet's asked if you can bring your fairy garden to the woods for all of her fairy friends to enjoy.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So this is Aria's fairy, Violet. And she's got a little pet unicorn. Aria made this fairy door and we put it in her bedroom. And then one day, this fairy appeared. She came through the door, didn't she, Aria? And now she's your fairy.
Yeah, but she always loves me, doesn't she?
Yeah. So we're going to decorate the fairy house that Dom made a few weeks ago. And we're going to take it to the woods for the fairies, aren't we?
Because my fairy said.
Yeah?
Not this fairy.
No, different fairy.
Yeah.
Fairy that lives in your bedroom.
I think everything today will be glitter white.
Oh no.
At least it looks pretty.
Yeah, that's true.
Look.
Oh, beautiful. We're just going to leave it to dry and we'll be back.
Then I just found one. Little fairy hut.
Isn't that
Fairy
a
hut.
broken tennis court?
I don't know.
No.
Oh, hello, fairy.
One's fairy treasure.
Fairy treasure, let me see. Let me see the fairy treasure. Wow. Oh no, somebody lost their glasses. I bet the fairies put them there for them to come back and find them.
Gold.
No way.
Look.
Fairy gold, that's where they keep their treasure then. No.
Oh, hi. I love doggies.
You do love doggies, don't you? Right, go on then, Aria. Help Daddy set it up.
bit rocky.
Yeah, Daddy, I'll put that.
Oh no, my little trail's falling over.
Oh no, we'll have to set the stones up again.
Ladder. Should have a little path.
Yeah. So then they can use the stepping stones, can't they? To get into the fairy house.
Yeah, and then they go. So they go. Tuk, 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 tuk.
Yeah.
Climb the ladder into the fairy house.
Should you have that over it or move it?
That's okay.
Bit of shelter.
Yeah, if it
Out of the
rains,
rain.
you can go under there.
Yeah.
Look at this. Verity, Verity, quickly, guys, run! Huh? A fairy just dropped me on. We just and flied away.
No way.
Like,
It was so quick, I didn't even see it.
no, it's an entrance. Go and it was running all around.
Go on then.
Thanks for watching. I will